So we're out here doing an inspection on a 2017 Winnebago Fuse, 23A model. Nice looking coach. Let's take a look. So this one's got the nice two-tone paint with decals, fiberglass side, a 6-gallon Atwood water heater, ladder going up to the roof. It is a fiberglass roof on this coach. You got one slide out with Schwinn slide mechanism. Right down here you got your waste tank valve, power cord, 1-ton Ford Transit chassis. It's got the 3.2 liter Power Stroke diesel. It's rated at 185 horsepower and 350 foot-pounds of torque. Got an Onan 2,500 watt propane generator. The 2017 Winnebago Fuse 24A. So it's got the twin beds, but it also makes into, it's got the bed pieces down below here that go on these little cleats here that make, so it does make into almost a king-size bed. And then you've got the sofa with 2 seat belts, and that also folds down in the slide out. Slide out's in now. It is a Schwinn slide out. So when it's out, you've got all this floor, and then that bed comes out. Got a 2-burner Dometic cooktop. Nice stainless steel single bowl with a pull-out nozzle. This is a 6 cubic foot Norcold 3-way refrigerator, so 12 volt, 120 volt, and propane. This is a High Point convection microwave. It's got 2 TVs, so this is the, I believe this is a 36-inch. And then back here you've got your entertainment, so CD, DVD, AM/FM stereo, Bluetooth, all your cable hookups, satellite hookups. Got your King antenna. I really like these sliding cabinet doors. Another TV here. Got your solar charge controller, so it's a 100 watt ZAMP solar panel up on the roof. 2,500 watt Onan generator. It's an LP generator. And then you've got your water pump, electric and LP water heater, your tank readings, battery readings, and then your meter for your generator. This generator only has 8.1 hours, and then start and stop. Slide room control, and it's got heated tanks also, so 12 volt heated tank. Lots of storage in the overheads here. Down here you've got a place for your table, and again the table and the leg down there. And then when the slide out's out, there's another place for a table under this sofa. Again, lots of storage up top, accent lighting all around, which is really cool. Got a dry bath with a foot flush toilet, lots of cabinet space, so there's a couple of nice deep drawers, and then a pretty good sized wardrobe with some shelves back there, and a hanger, medicine cabinet, a couple of mirrors, and a stall shower, and skylight. So lots of room in here, and of course a shower bar. This does have a sliding opaque plastic shower door. It's retractable, pretty cool. And storage underneath the bathroom cabinet. Real nice fixtures in here too, I like that. This is on the Ford van chassis, and it's got the 3.2 liter Power Stroke diesel. Really cool setup. Leather seats, armrests. This passenger seat does spin around, so you've got extra seating when you're entertaining, which is kind of cool. All right, so that's it. 2017 Winnebago Fuse 24A, I believe. So thanks for watching. That's not good. $114 and smoky. Like a quarter-mile visibility because of the smoke. That's my house right down there, which I would normally be able to see. Can't see it through the smoke, and I'm probably only a quarter mile away. That's the Dixie Fire and the Monument Fire and a couple other ones around here. The Dixie Fire being the biggest one. The last report I saw, the Dixie Fire was at 560,000 acres.